Hello everyone, it's time for this Vital Festival tournament, implying Ruby characters in a 1 versus 1 stature. The battles will be placed up and the winner would be decided by you, the viewers/voters. Come join our Discord server and hit the subscribe button with notification to get the results of this tournament. For this, we'll be focusing only on 2 biomes as they fight 1 versus 1 with each other, and what skill and semblance we have seen from them. Now let's head to the first fight out of the 21 in this tournament. First matchup we have is Weiss versus Emerald in the biome of lava and ice. This matchup should be fun to see where Weiss shows her mastership and training on her semblance, but the same effect as Emerald. By looking at the biomes, I would say Weiss has more of the advantage here, because her ability to use her glyph flakes to boost her in the direction she chooses, and could have the advantage if she summons her Night Glyph as well. With Emerald's ability to use hallucinations to throw Weiss off track and go in for the attack before she could summon, could give Emerald the advantage that she needs as well. This matchup should be interesting to see. Next one is Jean versus Fender. Even though Jean has came a long way on his fighting and semblance duration, Fender's ability to use her semblance her quickness compared to his matchup and unbalance, which could lead to Cinder winning by her speed, more experience, and ability of using her semblance in her fighting strategy. Even in the biome of ice and lava as well, Cinder seems to be more trained on how to fight in this type of biome compared to Jean. Next fight is Ruby versus Mercury. In this fight, it all depends on quickness, and Ruby could use her semblance to dodge Mercury's wind dust bullets, and go farther away to take her range effect. But Mercury could win because he is more stealth and knows how to fight in an abandoned town and woods biome. Next fight is Pyrrha versus Flint. Pyrrha is a high-trained warrior and would know how to fight in her surroundings of woods and geyser biome. Flint could use his semblance to increase the damage of sonic waves of his quartet, but Pyrrha could as well use her semblance to disarm Flint and go in for her attack. The next fight is, Roman versus Lionheart. Roman seems like one of the Ruby characters able to adapt to his surroundings and use it to his advantage. But what we've seen in Ruby, Roman seems more adept in fighting, able to block strikes from Sun, Ruby, and Blake, compared to Lionheart, where he was taken down by Oscar. The next fight is Scarlet versus Yasuhashi. As they fight in the desert and ocean biome, we did get to see Scarlet fight in there, but Yasuhashi is a heavy hitter. It's most likely one good hit on him could weaken Scarlet pretty badly. Yasuhashi could use his semblance to wipe his memory, having him forget what is happening. But for that to happen, he has to touch Scarlet, and he doesn't like using his semblance because of his backstory. Scarlet could have an advantage on winning this, more based on his speed and range attacks, but even Yasuhashi is pretty fast for a heavy hitter. Next one is Nora versus Neon. With them in the ice and lava biome, we did get to see Neon fight in the 2 versus 2 against Yang and Weiss. Nora is a heavy hitter and could increase her strength and damage by using her semblance if lightning courses through her or in her. In my opinion, I feel like Neon would win this because of her being way more faster than Nora, and could land some pretty good hits, like she did with Yang. But with Nora's weapon, she could smash the ground, having the rubble shoot up and knock Neon off her feet. The next fight is Ilya versus Winter. Ilya could have a huge advantage using the desert and forest biome to camouflage herself from Winter. But once she shows herself, then the match would be over, because of Winter's high fighting experience and her mastering her glyph semblance. The next fight is Fiona versus Fox. By what I've seen from Fiona, it seems she's really not a fighter. Fox could use the mountains and Skybird to give him an advantage to sneak up on her, using his semblance to know where she is at and attack at the right moment. The next fight is Sienna versus Maru. This fight is probably one of my favorites. Sienna would have a slight advantage over Maru because of her being able to use mountains and geysers to her advantage. Maru could use his semblance to have Sienna stay put on a geyser, giving him the free damage on her, also allowing him to throw his boomerang to get free damage on it also. The next fight is Vine versus Gira. Some might say this seems unfair because of Vine having more experience than Gira, and that is false. Gira was once the leader of the peaceful group of the White Fang, and he clearly showed he could fight when the Alpha brothers tried to assassinate him and his family. I feel he would stay in the shadows of the abandoned town, or stay in the tall grass until it's his time to strike. Vine could also use his semblance to extend his made hands to break the tall grass, having it easier for him to spot things. Next one is Coco versus Ren. I believe Ren could have an advantage in this because of his ninja-like stature. Could allow him to sneak attack on Coco in the woods and mountain biome. But if somehow Coco could get Ren to misstep, she could use her semblance to increase the damage in her dust bullets and rapid fire at him. The next fight is Neptune versus Mei. With what we've seen from Neptune, he doesn't like water because of his backstory. So the desert and ocean biome would do no favors for him. Mei also has the superior ability because she can create a sphere around herself, making herself invisible and difficult for Neptune to do damage to her. The next fight is going to be Cardin versus Velvet. Velvet with her semblance will stomp Cardin without her making a sweat. The only way Cardin can do anything is if he gets close enough and uses his red dust to do extreme damage to her. The next fight is Neo versus Harriet. Harriet is fast and can scan the woods biome like that, but we are not sure if she can run on water, so it would seem they will stay on the woods biome side. Every time Harriet would try to use her semblance to do a quick attack, Neo would just counter it by using her semblance and do a sneak attack. The next fight is Clover versus Yang. Clover, I feel like, will win this one because of him able to control his semblance, having more experience than Yang, and knowing his surroundings to help him in this fight. The only way Yang could win this is if she uses her semblance, shooting herself forward and doing her signature move on him. The next fight is Tak versus Robin. Tak, I feel like, will win this one because of her able to have 60 seconds of invulnerability and her being way faster and more skilled than Robin. Tak is also a master at hiding and going in for sneak attacks. The next fight is Arthur versus Blake. Arthur is a very intelligent man and can use his rings to trap Blake, but Blake has a semblance that will allow her to escape that kind of attack, and like her dad, she'll wait until it's the right time to attack, mostly in the tall grass biome. Next one is Adam versus Ironwood. I went with Ironwood winning this one because of him being the most experienced and able to fight in any biome that is set, especially the lava and the geysers biome. He has more range and can use his passive semblance to give him the best option on winning the fight. But Adam could also use his semblance to absorb the damage he got from Ironwood, sending it back. The next fight is Maria versus Sun. Maria would win this fight because her able to use her semblance boosting her reflexes. She's more experienced fighter, she's quicker, and Sun has to use his semblance to defend against her. The only way Sun could win if he overflowed her with his semblance claws, but he has to stand still to do so. The next fight is Elm versus Rhodes. I said Rhodes would win this because of his semblance giving him an extra layer of metal armor over him, so he would be able to take her hits and rockets without taking great damage to his aura. Elm could win by giving herself a better stance on her semblance in the lava and urban biomes. Alright, those are the matchup results. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be the first to see the video where the results of round 1's winners comes out. If you like to vote for round 2, join our Discord server so you can. Thanks for watching and see you all at the results video.